In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're having a trouble with KB update KB5068861 not installing error code 0x80f081f or 0x80070306 or 0x80070306 on Windows 11, then how we can fix it. So let me directly get into it. First of all, we need to retry the update, restart the PC and try again. That is the very important one. So first one is all about we have to go over here, search here for the settings and click on the settings. Now from here go to the Windows update. Now from here you have to check for any retry option. If you don't find the retry, you don't have to do anything. All we have to do is just go over here, right click and click on this one, go for restart. After the restart is done, you have to check and that might work. Next one is all about we need to pause and restart the update. That is very important. So just go over here, search here for the settings and click on the settings. Go to the Windows update. Now from here, if you find the pause update, you have to pause it either for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week or something. You have to pause it for a particular duration of time. Then go for check for update. Once you get into this, you have to check and that might work. Next one is all about we have to start and restart the App Readiness, Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So just go over here, search here for services and click on the services. Now from here, all we have to do is we just need to wait. First go to the App Readiness, right click and go to the properties, change. As you can see, the startup type is automatic. So the service status is stopped, so just click on the start. Now from here, click on OK and go to the Background Intelligent Transfer Service, right click and go to the properties, go to automatic. Now from here the service status is stopped, so just click on the start. Now from here we have to go to apply. Now go for OK and you have to check. Scroll it down all the way down and navigate to Windows Update, right click and go to the properties, go to automatic and make sure it is up and running, and also right click over here and go to restart. So just wait for a bit of time, so it will be up and running. Once it is done, you have to close this and go back and you have to check. Next one is Ren SFC and Dism command. That is very important. So the SFC scannow, that is the first command. So first we have to go over here, search here for the CMD, click on run as administrator and go for yes. Now first we have to copy the first command, that is scannow. Go over here and you have to paste it, then press enter. Then we have to go for the next one, the Dism online command, copy this and we have to paste it. Then we have to paste this and press enter and you have to check and that might work. Next one is all about we have to try with use Microsoft Update Catalog. So go over here. Now KB5068861. Now from here go to this link. Now this will be provided in the video description, so you don't have to worry. So you have to copy and paste to the link here and go for the search. Now from here, based on your PC requirement, you have to download the Windows over here and you have to check and that will be working fine. Next one is all about we have to try with use option fix problem using Windows Update. Now go over here, search here for the settings and click on the settings. Now from here go to the Windows Update, sorry not Windows Update, go to system. Now from here as you can see, if you go to the recovery option, click on this one and go to fix problem using Windows Update, just go for reinstall now and you have to check. Next one is all about we have to reset the Windows Update component. So copy this entire thing. You have to keep on copy this entire thing. Once you copied everything here, you have to copy till this. Go over here and copy this. Now from here, once everything is copied, you have to go over here, right click and go to new, create a text document. Now from here, what you need to do is once you get into this, you have to remove this. So sorry, you'll be having something like this. So right click and go to the paste, go to file, go to save as. Make sure that you save this on all files and also you have to name this on wofix.bat. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the desktop and go for the save. Once you save it, you have to close it and just go over here, right click and go to run as administrator. Then restart the PC and try again and that might work. Next one is all about we have to use the media creation tool. So I'll go over here. In this, I'll download this particular one and you have to check and that might work. So just go over here. So use the media creation tool to update your Windows. Sometimes, updating Windows using the media creation tool did work it for many users. So you can try this out. For me, this is not loading because I'm downloading another file. So that is why I'm having a small network issue. I'm sorry for that. So you have to use the Windex, the media creation tool to update your Windows, and you have to check. So these are the steps when it comes to how to fix this issue with this one. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.